Welcome to our tutorial about the exit do loop statement. In this tutorial, we're going to incorporate the do-while loop and an if statement together to see how we can exit a loop when we achieve our desired result. Now, I'm going to be using a very simple statement in this tutorial. For example, if integer b equals 2, then exit do and tab. Now every time the loop executes, this block of code is going to check if the expression if integer b equals 2. If this return value is true, then the exit statement will execute and the loop will end. Let's run our program to see how this works. Let's say integer a equals 5. Our loop executes once. The second time, integer b equals 2, and the program exited the loop routine. And this concludes our tutorial about the exit do loop statement.